Okay, welcome back. We're going to look at problem number 1 of set B of eliminating possibilities. The question reads, we have a sidewalk around the garden. The garden measures 17 feet by 20 feet. So let's go ahead and draw out an approximation of what our garden boundaries would be. So we have 17 here, 17 feet, and 20 feet. And the question says we want to pour concrete for a 3-foot wide sidewalk around the garden. So let's go ahead and make our 3-foot wide sidewalk and add 3 feet to each corner. So these are all going to be 3 feet. And when we do that, we'll create our boundaries of our sidewalk here. And now we have some new numbers. So when we take 20 and we add 3 feet on both sides, now we have 20 plus 3 plus 3, which would be a total of 26 feet. And then we take our 17 and we add 3 feet on either side of that, and now we have 23 feet over here. So the question continues. To make the forms for the concrete, we will need to buy some 2 by 4 inch lumber. So we're looking at the lumber being 2 inches by 4 inches. But then we're not really looking at that. We're looking at the actual length of the lumber. So the 2 by 4 inches is not really information that we need. We need the total length of these, what are called 2 by 4 inch lumber pieces. How many feet of lumber will we need just for the perimeter of the walk? And we need to consider both the inside and the outside of the perimeter. So we can do a perimeter just by adding all of the distances around the outside. So for the inside, we can do 20 plus 20 plus 17 plus 17, or we could have done 2 times 20 plus 2 times 17. But when we go ahead and add those up, we're going to get 74. And the other measurements that we need are the 26 plus 26, because we have 26 up here, and then we have 26 down here, and 23 here, and 23 across, just like with the other one. So we're going to be adding 23 plus 23 plus 26 plus 26. And when we get that, we're going to add and get 98. So now we're going to add 74 from the inside and 98 from the outside. And when we add those two together, we're going to get 172 feet of 2 by 4 lumber that we're going to need to pour our concrete for our sidewalk around our garden. And that has been problem set B number 1, and thank you, and I'll see you later with another problem. Bye-bye.